Picture this: crispy, restaurant-quality chicken wings, a perfectly toasted bagel, and a 12-inch pizza, all cooked to perfection in the same appliance. And the best part? You never have to worry about burning your forearms on a hot drop-down door again. Hey everyone, and welcome to Product Room channel. In this video, we are breaking down the top 8 best French door air fryer toaster ovens currently on the market. We've looked at the heating speed, capacity, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide which one deserves a spot in your kitchen. Whether you need a massive unit to feed a family of 6 or a precision machine for baking sourdough, we have something on this list for you. I've included links to all these ovens in the description below with the latest prices and availability, so make sure to check those out. Now, let's dive in. Let's start with a fantastic budget option, the Elite Gourmet French Door Toaster Oven. This beast comes with a massive 47.5 quart capacity that can fit 2 12-inch pizzas simultaneously. It's one of the largest French door ovens you'll find at this price point. This oven features 4 control knobs, giving you separate control over top and bottom heating elements, which is perfect for getting that ideal crisp. It includes a rotisserie function with all the accessories, so you can make restaurant-style chicken at home. You get 4 rack positions for cooking multiple dishes at once, plus convection for faster, more even cooking. It comes with 2 wire racks, an enamel bake tray, rotisserie set, and crumb tray, all dishwasher safe. The massive capacity is unbeatable for the price, and users love the French doors for easy access. However, baking performance can be inconsistent, so you might need to rotate food halfway through. Also, it uses manual knobs instead of digital controls, which some find less precise. This typically runs around $110 to $140, which is perfect for large families or anyone wanting to replace their full-size oven. Next up is the Gourmia Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo with FryForce 360-degree technology that creates cyclonic heat flow for perfect, crispy results. This mid-range option delivers impressive performance without breaking the bank. You get 17 one-touch cooking functions, including air fry, bake, toast, roast, broil, and dehydrate. The 25-quart capacity fits a 12-inch pizza or whole chicken easily. Digital controls make temperature adjustments simple with a range from 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The single-pull French doors open smoothly with one hand, and there's a large viewing window for monitoring. It includes an air fry basket, baking pan, rack, and crumb tray, all dishwasher safe, plus a 60-page recipe book. Users rave about how easy this is to use, with an intuitive digital display and excellent crispy results using minimal oil. The only minor quirk is you need to close the right door before the left for a proper seal. At around $110 to $140, this is excellent value for home cooks wanting versatility and ease of use, especially if you're new to air fryer ovens. Now let's talk about the BLACK+DECKER Crisp and Bake French Door Air Fryer Oven, a name you know and trust. The BLACK+DECKER brings 12 cooking functions in a compact design with that signature stainless steel finish. This trusted brand delivers quality without taking up excessive counter space. Convection technology, with the fan positioned above the heating element, cooks up to 2.5 times faster than conventional ovens. The selection dial features a clever cooking indicator that's red when actively cooking and blue on standby. No more wondering if it's on. It fits a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast and includes a 60-minute timer with precise controls. Functions include everything from air fry to bagel to keep warm. The compact design is perfect for smaller kitchens, and users love the color-changing dial. It makes pizza beautifully crispy, much better than a microwave. Some users have experienced durability issues with long-term use, and the fan can be loud during operation. Typically costing between $130 and $150, this is best for apartment dwellers or singles and couples who don't need massive capacity. Let me introduce you to a rising star, the Midea Flexify French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This one actually won Best of KBIS in 2024, and it's easy to see why with its stunning design and exceptional performance. This award winner delivers premium features at a competitive price. The 26.4 quart capacity features 360 degrees cyclone technology with VDE certified even heating using 1 convection fan and 6 strategically positioned heat tubes. It cooks 25% faster than traditional ovens and uses 90% less oil than deep frying. You get 10 preset options, including air fry, slow cook, and dehydrate. Temperature control works in precise 5-degree increments from 100 to 450 degrees with a large LED display that's easy to read. The French doors have an anti-scald handle for safety. Reviewers loved the build quality and air frying performance. Many stopped using their full-size ovens entirely. The design is gorgeous and looks premium on any countertop. The main drawback is inconsistent toasting that may require 2 cycles. At $140 to $170, this is incredible value for a KBIS award winner, perfect for anyone wanting a stylish, high-performing oven for family-sized meals. Now we're getting into the big leagues with the Emeril Lagasse extra-large French door air fryer toaster oven. When a celebrity chef puts their name on something, you know they're serious about performance. This extra-large powerhouse is designed to replace multiple kitchen appliances with its comprehensive feature set. The 26-quart capacity comes with 24 cooking presets, the most on our list. We're talking air fry, rotisserie, slow cook, dehydrate, and everything in between. The dual-speed fan with 360-degree superheated air circulation delivers consistently golden results. Auto shutoff for toasting prevents burning, and the interior light lets you monitor food without opening doors. You get 7 premium accessories, including crisper tray, air fry rack, baking pan, grill plate, and complete rotisserie set. Users are thrilled with the versatility. The rotisserie makes juicy chicken rivaling any restaurant. Many say it completely replaced their oven, toaster, and air fryer. The fan can be loud during operation, and some users reported door sealing issues, though this seems relatively rare. At $150 to $190, this is best for serious home cooks and families wanting restaurant-quality results with maximum versatility. Now, if you are a baker who cares about precision, pay attention to the Calphalon Performance Countertop French Door Air Fryer Oven. Calphalon brings their cookware expertise to this appliance, featuring quartz heat technology. This delivers 40% more even heat than standard tube elements, which is critical for baking. This unit feels fantastic to use. You get 11 precision functions, including toast, air fry, cookies, and dehydrate. The large capacity fits a 12-inch pizza easily with an elegant French door design and high-contrast LCD screen. The built-in interior light helps monitor cooking progress. It includes an air fry basket, non-stick baking pan, wire rack, and crumb tray. The dark stainless steel finish looks sophisticated and modern. The quartz heat technology truly delivers consistent, even cooking with no hot spots. Users consistently praise this feature. Build quality feels premium and sturdy, particularly great for baking cookies and pastries. The main con here is the price, which is on the higher end, typically $250 and up. Also, because it prioritizes even heating over raw power, the preheat time can be a little longer than the speed-focused air fryers. But for the precision baker, that wait is worth it for the perfect golden crust. Now let's talk about the newest kid on the block, the Ninja French Door Premier Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Ninja just dropped this in late 2025 with cutting-edge technology. This model makes bold claims about capacity and speed, and actually delivers. Ninja claims the largest air frying capacity in a French door design, with a 5-quart basket holding up to 5 pounds of fries. The 450-degree cyclonic air cooks 60% faster with 75% less fat than traditional frying. Here's the kicker: 90-second preheat, one of the fastest available. You get 10 functions, including air fry, whole roast, and dehydrate. The PFAS-free cooking surface means non-toxic materials, and all accessories are dishwasher safe. It includes sheet pan, wire rack, broil rack, and that massive air fry basket. Brand new technology delivers exceptional air frying that users rave about. Fast preheat genuinely saves time, and large capacity is perfect for families. Ninja's reputation for quality and customer service adds peace of mind. That said, quality costs money. This is one of the pricier options on our list, usually hovering between $220 and $280. It's also quite deep physically, so it can dominate a smaller kitchen. But if you want reliability and the best overall performance, the investment is absolutely worth it.
Last but certainly not least, and possibly the most feature-packed option on this list, the Kalorik Maxx Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. This oven has been featured on the Food Network and Cooking Channel, and once you see what it can do, you'll understand why. This might be the most versatile option on our entire list, with capabilities other ovens simply can't match. The 26-quart capacity with multiple rack levels fits a 14-pound turkey or 9 slices of toast. Turbo Max technology with 1700 watts cooks fries 22% faster, steak 37% faster, and chicken 27% faster. Here's the game changer. It reaches 500 degrees Fahrenheit, the highest on our list, allowing restaurant-quality searing and caramelization. You get 10-in-1 functionality including air fry, rotisserie, braise, and sear with 21 smart presets. Glass French doors open with one hand, and it includes 9 accessories from air frying basket to rotisserie set. PFAS-free steel cavity means safer cooking. Versatility is truly unmatched. This genuinely replaces 10 appliances. That 500-degree max opens cooking possibilities other ovens can't match, like perfect steak sears. Some users reported quality control issues and customer service difficulties. French doors don't always seal perfectly, affecting consistency, and it's quite heavy and large. Around $200 to $250, this is best for adventurous cooks wanting maximum functionality and serious home chefs who love experimenting. All right, let's wrap this up. We've covered 8 incredible French door air fryer toaster ovens, each with its own strengths. For budget-conscious buyers, the Elite Gourmet offers massive capacity and rotisserie functionality for around $110 to $140. You really can't beat that value. If you want solid mid-range performance with great presets, the Gourmia at $110 to $140 or the BLACK+DECKER at $130 to $150 are fantastic choices. The Midea Flexify at $140 to $170 is perfect if you want award-winning design and 25% faster cooking without breaking the bank. For those wanting a celebrity-endorsed, feature-packed workhorse, the Emeril Lagasse at $150 to $190 gives you 24 presets and rock-solid performance. For premium quality, the Calphalon at $250 and up delivers quartz heat technology for even cooking. The newest technology belongs to the Ninja French Door Premier, fastest preheat, largest air fry basket, PFAS-free at $220 to $280. The ultimate powerhouse is Kalorik Maxx at $200 to $250, reaching 500 degrees, cooks up to 37% faster, and replaces 10 appliances. My personal favorite? It depends on your needs. If I had to choose just one for overall value and performance, I'd go with either the Midea Flexify for its modern features and price point, or the Ninja French Door Premier if you want cutting-edge technology and don't mind spending a bit more. But honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these. They'll all transform your cooking routine and help you make healthier, delicious meals faster than ever before. Now here's the big question. Which one are you leaning toward? What features matter most to you? Let me know in the comments below. I've included links to all of these ovens in the description below with the most up-to-date prices and availability. Prices fluctuate, so make sure to check for current deals. You might catch a great sale. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more kitchen appliance reviews. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.